Using the method demonstrated in this video, you can make $2.48 per minute watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries, so let's begin. The first step is to visit this website, where watching YouTube videos online can earn you money. I'll tell you the name of this website in a moment, but first I'd like to demonstrate how it functions so you may watch videos on it, like commercial advertisements. You can earn $1 for each referral that uses your link to join the site, which includes access to YouTube videos, movies, TV shows, and more. After you achieve the minimum balance in your account, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account, PayPal account, or other accessible withdrawal options. With this website, over 6,500 brands, including the ones listed above, have partnered. To begin using this website, click the Sign Up button here. All you need to do is enter your first and last name, gender, birthday, email address, and password. Next, make sure to tick the CAPTCHA and click on Create Account. As you can see, we have received $5 as a sign-up bonus to my account. This allows them to continuously offer you new videos. You can read more about this website by clicking the About Us option on the top right corner of the website. Now allow me to demonstrate how we can add even more money to our account. As you can see, there are 5 videos available for us to watch on the left-hand side. Let's begin by clicking the play button on the first video, which will earn us 61 cents for watching. Immediately after, an advertisement will appear. We can choose to ignore it or click the play button again, and the video will begin to play. We don't have to watch the entire thing, we can just watch part of it. You will then be shown another advertisement, which you can close, and click the complete button once more. A message stating, "Successfully completed, you have received this much cents," will appear on your dashboard. Keep an eye out for the countdown timer that indicates how many seconds are left. To see the amount appear in our account, all we need to do is reload the website. As a result, our account balance has increased. I want you to repeat this process for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you click on the second video, an advertisement will appear again. You should just close it and click the play button to resume the video, which will begin to play. After that, click the complete button underneath the video to see another advertisement. You should then close it and click the complete button once more. After the page has refreshed, you should be able to see that your account balance is now this much. You should be aware, though, that you are only allowed to watch 5 videos in a 24-hour period. If you click on the first or second video again, it will inform you that it will no longer be available in that time frame. Don't worry, though, I'll show you how to continue earning 2.48 cents per minute. The second step to consistently earning 2.48 cents with these 5 movies is to register for multiple accounts on this website. You can register for up to 10 accounts. You can earn 61 cents, 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents from one account. This adds up to 2.48 in less than a minute. If you have 10 accounts, you can easily and effortlessly earn a total of 24.80 in a matter of minutes. If you don't have many email addresses, don't worry, here's a bonus tip. Here's an extra piece of advice for you: make several accounts. Let me quickly demonstrate something for you, but first I'll log out of my account. Then, by clicking Sign Up again, we can begin the process of making a new account. Now, when we get to the email address box, all you have to do is put a dot here. If you have only one email address, the website will say that it is already taken. Try another. Alternatively, you can enter a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender on the following page. And as you can see, we've just made a new account using the same email address. You can actually place a dot wherever on the email address, like here, here, or even here. And it will be approved. The good news is that all of these variations will be approved, and any emails sent to the addresses I just gave you will be forwarded back to the original email address. Step 3 is to go to the top right corner of my account and hover your mouse over the referral option. From there, we will be taken to a page where you can see that every time someone signs up using our link, we will earn $1 per referral. This is how Google works, and it's a trick that many people are unaware of today to make $600 in pure passive income. The website is called 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠. That's it for the video. If you want to watch more money-making videos, then please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more such content.